All right, so this is my 2022 Veloster N. So I need a new battery. It's not working properly. Went and got a new one, and of course, like everybody does, the first thing I did is I went online to look at YouTube and see if I could find a video to change it. I know it's a battery, it's easy, technically 3 bolts, but I still like going into things with a little bit of an idea of what I'm doing essentially. So I'm at my girl's condo right now. So my tools are limited. I've essentially got a screwdriver kit set. I don't have a socket set, but that's okay. We can make it work. The hardest part is going to be the bolt that actually holds the battery in. That's the one down there. Everything else pops off. Now, when you are doing anything with batteries, always disconnect the negative first, and then the positive. And then when you are reconnecting them, you do the opposite. So pretty simple, but extremely important. So first we want to loosen these terminals. Obviously a socket set would make this about 1,000 times easier, but don't have one, so that's all right. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that it's loose enough that you can do that, right? Simple, nothing. And then we can put this aside. This one will be the same. It will be this bolt here that we are going to take off. You just want to loosen it enough that the terminal is loose and you can wiggle it out. Now when you're doing this, obviously you're playing with batteries. You probably should wear PPE, you know, glasses. I have glasses, so that's okay. There, that's it. Everything's quite tight. And you should probably wear gloves. So do stuff that I'm not doing, just for safety. Now, if you go to a dealership, they're gonna charge you for this. How much? Kind of depends on the dealership, right? Most likely 80 bucks or so. And something that they're going to do is remove this air box to get in there. So that partially is why it's expensive. Now I do have a heating blanket on this, so we're going to just pull that off. This is very tight in here, just an FYI. So that's another thing, right? Like they're going to charge you because it's a pain in the ass. There we go. Now, obviously, positive, positive, negative, negative. Do not mess that up. I should be able to. This is just nothing really. There's your new battery. Exactly how it was. Make sure all of your cables are safe, which is probably what I'll do is put this back in there and use it to guide those cables essentially. Because you don't want to pinch these. Then It's heavy, everything is heavy. Obviously it's a battery. Take your time. Make sure that you get the blanket properly around it. There. And then you just gotta put it in place. Just like that. Now I've got a cable that I may have pinched. There we go. And that's it. Now we're in place. Leave the caps on so it's safe. Then we put this thing back in there. This is kind of the tricky part. Line it up. Screw it down. Battery's tight. I'm not pinching any cables, so that's good. Then just like I said, the positive is first. Give her a little push down. Grab my wrench and just tighten her up. This is a relatively new car, so my battery lasted me about 90,000 K, if anyone's wondering, which is pretty good. 90,000 K in a couple of years. We put this back on. Tighten her up. You don't want to have any wiggle. So I was having a lot of problems cold cranking it. So there you go, 8 minutes. Battery change out. Everything's in there tight, looks good. Blanket's going around. I'm not pinching on any cables. Let's make sure that that's on there good. Let's crank her up. First try, fabulous. Everything works, everything is good. Hopefully this helped you out a little bit, guys. Have a great, blessed day.